Choosing a dental implant raises one important question: titanium or zirconia? Both can integrate with the jawbone and support a natural-looking tooth, but they are not interchangeable. Titanium is the established standard. Dentists have used it for decades, and it has the strongest long-term clinical record. It is durable, well-studied, and available in many designs. Most titanium systems use two parts, giving the dentist greater flexibility to position the implant and customize the final tooth. Its main aesthetic limitation is color. With very thin gums, or if recession develops, a gray shadow may become visible. True titanium hypersensitivity appears to be rare, but any suspected reaction should be assessed individually. Zirconia is a strong, tooth-colored ceramic. It contains no metal, making it attractive to patients seeking a metal-free option. Its white color may offer an aesthetic advantage at the front of the mouth, especially when the gums are thin. However, zirconia is not automatically healthier or better. Modern zirconia implants show promising results, but the long-term evidence is less extensive than it is for titanium. Some systems also offer fewer restorative options, particularly in complex cases. So, which material should you choose? The answer depends on more than preference. Your bone volume, gum thickness, bite forces, implant position, smile line, and final restoration all matter. At Renova Clinic, we do not choose an implant material because it is fashionable. We select it after a clinical examination and three-dimensional imaging, based on what offers the safest and most predictable result: titanium or zirconia. The best implant is the one chosen for the right patient, in the right position, with the right plan.